Assalamu alaikum. I am Abul Kashan, an English teacher. I have come before you with my channel Linear Ocean Learning, Lecture 1. This is the beginning of my lecture, and in a series of my lectures, I will try to give you all the things that beginners need. Today I have come with letters and their pronunciation in Bangla. Many of the students, especially the beginners, don't know how to read or pronounce words or any text. And for this, they need to know what are the letters in English and their Bangla word or Bangla pronunciation, especially digraph or ligature. In Bangla, it is Jukto Borno. I'll try to give all the things what are in Bangla from English. Suppose one word, statistics. Maximum students, many of the people cannot pronounce this word statistics. In this word, there is sha, s, dontasho, ta, to, and together st comes to dontashoy toy. Thank you very much.